This is the Rock Party 9, which is a dual 8-inch battery-powered portable Bluetooth party speaker with party LEDs, microphone and guitar inputs, pitch correcting, reverb, and echo effects. It will be the perfect speaker to get your party going whether you are at home, tailgating, barbecue, or want to have a true mobile karaoke setup. The Rockville Rock Party 9 is your all-in-one party solution. The speaker does everything from thumping bass and crystal clear sound to customizable lighting and karaoke fun. Ready to bring the party wherever you go? With the Rock Party 9, the music never stops. The Rock Party 9 takes everything you love about our very popular Rock Party 8 and cranks it to 11. Here's what's new. Number 1, there's deeper bass with louder volume. Feel the bass reverberate through your bones. The Rock Party 9 delivers earth-shaking lows and a room-filling sound that will have your guests dancing till dawn. Number 2, it's precision-tuned sound. Our New York-based Rockville sound engineers meticulously crafted this speaker. Expect crystal clear highs, rich mids, and a soundstage that transports you to the front row of your favorite concert. And number 3 is the Karaoke Magic. Unleash your inner superstar. The Rock Party 9 boasts auto-tune, reverb, and echo effects, turning any gathering into a karaoke extravaganza. No matter where the party takes you, the Rock Party 9 is built to move. It's lightweight, portable, and features a rugged polypropylene enclosure to handle whatever the night throws. And with a built-in carry handle and a rechargeable battery, it's ready to party wherever you are. The Rock Party 9 comes equipped with dynamic built-in LED party lights that sync to the beat of your music. Choose from various modes and colors to match your vibe, whether you're going for a chill or a full-on dance party. Stream your music however you want. Bluetooth 5.0 gives you the wireless freedom up to 45 feet, or plug in via USB, aux, or TF card. The dual 8-inch woofers are set in a ported enclosure for an enhanced bass response and powered by 250 watts of power to get super loud but still sound super clean. Also, there are 2 1/4-inch inputs that can be used for microphones or guitars for karaoke or live performances. A very popular setup is to connect a smartphone or tablet through Bluetooth to the Rock Party 9, then go to YouTube, search for the karaoke version of a song, plug in your microphone, and you have a full mobile karaoke setup. You can also plug in one microphone and a guitar into the other input and have a completely battery-powered portable setup to take outside or on the road. The other cool thing is the inputs have an echo control that you can turn up and down from the top of the unit. Also on the top of the unit, there's the aux input as well as the USB port, and right next to that is the charging port to charge the unit. The battery is a beast and can last up to 6 hours on low volumes and up to 3 hours on max volume, and has an average battery life of 4.5 hours altogether. But you're probably wondering what this sounds like, so let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up guys, so here I am with the Rock Party 9. Let's do a quick setup and see what this thing can do. So on the back we have 2 1/4-inch inputs that can be used for 2 microphones, 2 instruments like guitars, or 1 microphone and 1 guitar like I have here. So once I plug these guys in, I'm gonna press the menu button until I get to the C setting right here. This controls the volume for both the microphone and the guitar. So I'm gonna use the volume wheel in the middle to raise that volume. And if you ever want to give it some extra flair, you can keep pressing the menu button until you get to the echo setting, so you can give both your microphone and the guitar some echo.
Check 1, 2, and you'll be able to hear the microphone through this system. And now if I play my guitar, you hear the guitar as well. So this is a cool setup whether you're inside of a coffee shop or outside street performing.
The best part is you can add to this setup by connecting your smartphone or tablet through Bluetooth in case you want to play some backing tracks or play along with your favorite songs. To do that, I'm going to go into the Bluetooth settings and search for the device that reads Rock Party 9. Once you hear that sound, you'll know your device is connected, and you can set it on this stand here that holds your phone or tablet. Now what's also cool about this speaker is the vocal auto correction. So you can use this to give your voice just a slight correction or go all in with an auto tune. So to do that, we have the key button right here to set the key of the correction. So if you know the key of the song that you're singing, you can press this key button and set it to the key of the song. Below that we have the snap button, which will determine how our voice will snap to the right note. So we have a few different options for this. We have the near setting, which will set our voice near the right note. We have up, which will pitch our voice up to the right note. Then we have the low setting, which will bring our voice down to the right note. And then we have the off setting, which turns it off altogether. And then underneath, we have the accuracy button. This determines the quality of the auto correction. So for example, if I set this to the normal setting, it gives our voice more of a smoother correction. And then if I set this to the better setting, then you really start to notice the correction. So to show it off, I set the key in E, I set the snap to up.
Yeah, oh, you really hear that autocorrection in there.
We also have these pitch buttons here to raise or lower our voice. So with the pitch plus button,
I can get my voice to sound like this. And then I can bring it down
to get my voice sounding like this.
So with all these different settings and the ability to connect our phone or tablet to the speaker, the Rock Party 9 makes for an awesome karaoke setup.
Do you believe in love? I can feel something inside me saying, I really don't think I'm strong enough, no.
The Rock Party 9 is going to be your go-to portable Bluetooth party speaker. Whether you are using it for camping, tailgating, backyard barbecues, house parties, or for a fully mobile karaoke setup. So if you're looking for a powerful and portable Bluetooth party speaker with dual 8-inch woofers, dancing party LEDs, and guitar and mic inputs, echo, reverb, and pitch correction effects, look no further than the Rock Party 9 from Rockville.